Hi Richard, this is the video I was just promising you. So you want to re-embed a revised map once you've done some work on it. So it's pretty straightforward. The page remains pretty much the same. If you go to the page link at the top here first in Editor and click on that, then find the page that you want to edit, which was interactive mapping, and click on that. An interactive mapping page comes up. And then the map is here. I've taken it out of here, but the mapped frame is still here. What you will see is a graphical representation of the map. So if you click on the frame that the map is in, and it'll say Edit Custom HTML. Click on that, and it opens the frame. Okay, and then you just paste in the embed code there. Now the embed code is not the same as the hyperlink. So if we go to the map, this is obviously not this is just a map I've just made up, but if you click on here and click on embed on my site, excuse me, excuse me, you'll find that at the moment, because this is not a public map, it's a private map, so I can't embed it. Okay, so what we have to do is change the share thing. So this here, share, click on that. Now, instead of just sharing with individuals, what we want to do is change it from private here to public. So on public on the web. We want people to be able to edit it or view it? So it's just view and then click save. Now that is the hyperlink. So that's what you would put onto some text or whatever if you wanted it to go to that page, to go to the Google. But we don't want to do that. We want to embed it. So now we go up here where it says embed on my site, this bit here. So just go, it's that button there, embed on my site, click on that, and it opens up this, and it's an iframe, which is they always start with iframe and finish with iframe, and the code in between sets into a size which is 640 by 480. And now once this is pasted in, you can change that size and play around with it, but at the moment just going to copy that code. Then I'm going to go back to the Weebly editor, find the frame, which is that one, paste in the code, okay, and then there we are. So it's just loading up the map. Voila. Okay, so if we want to change that again, we just find the frame, click on it, hit Edit HTML, and we can either delete and paste in new code, iframe code, or you can change the size. So you could say make that 740 by 580. Now it's a good idea, I think, to try and keep the dimensions approximately the same. So if you change that by 10%, change this by 10%. Otherwise you end up with a strange shape. But that is that. So once you've done all of that and you're happy with the end result of the new map that's embedded, you then just go up here and click publish, and it publishes, and the new one is live. Okay, so I hope that's helpful. Cheers then.